Hey guys, you are now tuned in to part 2 of my collaboration with Herr.
Bloody hell. It's bloody cold in here. I thought it was hot. I mean, it was hot because you gave me fucking rum surprise and I wasn't ready to drink. Who are you to read? I always get dumbass songs stuck in your head. That I'm no fancy human. Who are you to realize that I'm no human being? Whoever sings that song, I hope he comments on this video. Also Google it. This man! This fucking man. Who is he? The worst music video in the world.
Oh my god.
Hey.
I really want y'all to go on YouTube and search, oh my god, the worst music video in the world, so y'all can get addicted too, cause it can't just be us. So after I applied the glue, I'm gonna go ahead and take my tweezers and spread it out. Let's wait for that first layer to dry and then go ahead and add our second coat.
So now, It says the clock, time of grace you to rock. It says clock, time of grace you to rock. Y'all bitches could never make your own beats, bitch. I don't even gotta go to the studio. My beats are right here. The people want to see us make out. Okay.
All right, now that the second coat is clear, now I can go ahead and apply the lace.
Press me down and don't press me again. Press me like never before. Okay. Okay.
Now give your client an extra good press. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut the excess lace off so I can clean it up.
This is stripper girls want these cakes.
Before I start my crimps, I'm going to take my Sea Breeze and erase that eyeliner. And of course, replenish that foundation. Alright, now that the lace is on, I can go ahead and finish the crimps on both sides. And we are done. So I'm gonna loosen them up a little bit and try to flatten the top.
Stop doing that. This is so cute. Literally love it.
So before I finished the style off, I had to take some concealer and define that part. Once again, thank you so much Bilace Hair for this 613 250 density full lace wig. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you are not already and turn on your notifications.